Welcome back again to the channel. So I'm here back again with daily current affairs for 25 and 26 March 2024. So as I have already told you earlier that I'll be bringing daily current affairs day wise. So here I'm back again. So without further delay, let's start the video. Today's first question is, okay, wait a minute. Today's first question is, uh, which High Court recently declared UP Board of Madrasa Education Act 2024 as unconstitutional, right? So the answer is Allahabad High Court, right? So what happened? The High Court has this Allahabad High Court has declared this very act, right, which is Madrasa Education Act of 2024 as unconstitutional. Very important question for exam point of view. So you should remember which high court it is. It is the Allahabad High Court. Next question is, which Indian cricketer became the first to score 12,000 runs in the T20 formats? As you all know that IPL is going on, right? So the first Indian cricketer to have scored 12,000 runs in T20 format is Virat Kohli. The answer is Virat Kohli. Next question is, which US food and beverage giant has committed to invest $400 million more in Vietnam, right? So you have to name the US food giant, right? The answer is PepsiCo, right? So earlier also it have already invested in Vietnam. So now recently this PepsiCo, right? This PepsiCo company it have committed to invest $400 million more in Vietnam. So the answer is PepsiCo. Next question is, which firm is set to launch fresh milk product in the United States for the first time? Right. So you have to name the firm or the company or the organization who is set to launch fresh milk product in the United States for the first time. So the answer for this is Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation. Right. This is the name of the organization, and this organization is also behind the iconic Amul brand. Right. So this Amul brand is also their part, or you can say this Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation provide milks for this iconic brand Amul, right, which is very famous in India. Next question is, name the Indian scientist honored by the International Astronomical Union by naming an asteroid after him, right? Asteroid. So there is the asteroid this, right? So what happened, this International Astronomical Unit have honored a scientist whose name is Jayant Murthy, right? He's an Indian scientist. So it have honored this scientist Jayant Murthy by naming the asteroid 215884 after him, right? So the name of this asteroid have been given after this scientist. So now the name of this asteroid is Jayant Murthy, right? So this is an honor given by International Astronomical Union to the Indian scientist Jayant Murthy by naming the asteroid after him. And you must be aware that the asteroid belt, this asteroid belt lies between which planet? Between Mars and Jupiter. Asteroid belt between the planet Mars and Jupiter. Next question is, who won the Australian Grand Prix? Right, so you have to name. The answer is Carlos Sainz. So he won the Australian Grand Prix. It is a Formula One car race, right? So recently, if you are following my video, you must have seen it in my previous video that even in India, in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, uh, Formula 4 car race was held alongside the Dal Lake. So you have to remember, if the question comes in which state Formula 4 race has been conducted, then in India, then the answer will be Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Next question is, the Archaeological Survey of India or ASI is conducting excavation at two mounds in Nachne village to uncover what could potentially be the oldest temple in India in which state? Okay, this sentence seems a little bit odd. However, you have to understand that the Archaeological Survey of India or ASI is conducting a survey, right? Means they are digging, they are uncovering the earth. Where in which village? It is in Nachne village. Uh, what for? It is potentially to find the oldest temple in India. So you have to name the state where this uh, survey is going on, right? So the name of the state is Madhya Pradesh at Patna district of Madhya Pradesh. So this Nasne village is it at Patna district of Madhya Pradesh. Next question is, what was the name given to the new species of deep sea isopod discovered off the coast of Kollam in Kerala? So what happened in the coast of Kollam, right in Kerala, a new species of deep sea isopod have been discovered. And what happened? The scientists have given the name of these new species as Brustua isro. Right? See, at last it have got the title, or you can say it like a surname, right? Given as isro, right? Actually, it is a scientific name. If, scientific name always consists of two words, right? So this is a scientific name. So that's why it is consisting of two words. So Basi, at last it is what ISRO. So it is the name has been given as a tribute to ISRO for their success in their missions, right? So these newly discovered species of sea isopod have been named as Brusto or Brustua ISRO, right? Indian Space Research Organization, right? As a tribute to ISRO for their success in their missions. Next question is, according to the latest report of from the Shanghai-based Hurun Research Institute, which city has overtaken Beijing as Asia's billionaire capital? The answer is Mumbai. Okay. Next question is, which bank recently launched FlashPay in partnership with NPCI for contactless payment? Right. You must be aware that NPCI is a National Payment Corporation of India, right? If you know about UPI, they are the one behind UPI, right? So this National Payment Corporation of India have partnered with which bank to launch FlashPay? FlashPay is also a kind of UPI, right? So if you have this FlashPay application, you will be able to pay contactless. Okay, so you have to name the bank who have recently partnered with NPCI to for contactless payment, right? For enabling the facility of contactless payment. So the answer is Federal Bank. Federal Bank. Next question is, name the hospital jointly inaugurated. Okay, recently you must be aware that PM Modi was on a visit to Bhutan, right? So what happened when he was in visit to Bhutan? There he have inaugurated a hospital in Bhutan, right? He have inaugurated a hospital jointly with the Bhutanese counterpart, Sering Topge, right? So it was his this Sering Topge was his Bhutanese counterpart. So they together have jointly inaugurated a hospital in the capital of Bhutan, and you know the capital of Bhutan is Thimphu, right? So you have to name that hospital, right, which was recently inaugurated jointly by PM Modi and Sering Topge. The answer is Gyaltsuen Jetsam Pema Wangchuk Mother and Child Hospital. So this is the name of hospital, bit landy. So you but then also you will have to kind of by heart it. So the answer is Gyaltsuen Jetson Pema Wangchuk Mother and Child Hospital. Next question is, the English translation of the first Magahi novel, Full Bahadur, was translated by whom? Right. So this novel, right, the Magahi novel, right, it was translated in English. So you have to Name the person who translated this. So the answer is Abbe Kumar or Abbe K. He is a renowned writer from Nalanda, Bihar. Nalanda. So this Nalanda word is very familiar. You must have heard about Nalanda University, right? So this person, he belongs or he hailed from the place Nalanda in Bihar. So last question for today. Name the app launched by Election Commission of India which allows voters of above 85 years and persons with disabilities with 40% benchmark disability to cast their votes from the comfort of their homes. Right? The answer is Saksam app. See, this app, what facility is it will provide is that those people, right, those aged persons who have attained the age of 85, they won't have to go to the polling booth to cast their vote. Now, from home, only they can cast their vote through some app, right? So not only the person, those aged person, but also the persons with disabilities, they won't have to go to the polling station to cast their vote. They can be voting through this app, right? And see, it is the Election Commission of India. As in my previous video, if you have watched, right, Election Commission of India, there I have already told you that the function of the Election Commission of India is, right, primarily to conduct elections of the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, state legislature, state legislative council, and elections of the president and vice president. So that's why, see, for smoothly enabling voters to vote, right, because their vote, though there it may be aged people or disability person with disability, right? So to enable them to vote, see, Election Commission of India have recently launched this app so that more and much of the people can cast their vote. Okay, their constitutional rights. So for today, this much. See you in the next video. Uh, Kindly follow my video if you like the videos. Do subscribe, share, and like. Thank you.